Kia Niro. Oh, that's interesting. That's weird. I don't think it's metal. No, it's plastic cladding. That's weird. Fisker Karma. The Nissan Altima SR. Now you can cut lanes faster, hit curbs quicker, get everywhere by pushing everybody out of the way. We have this floor to ourselves. This is what I'm talking about. A Countach. Mercedes. My God, this is a mean S2000. Supra's out the ass. That's absolutely hilarious. Why? And there you go. Interest in Chevy's EVs? None.
Have you been in one of these before?
No, I have not.
Okay, well, great. Hopefully you like it. You see it's a nice roomy cabin. You've got a lot of amenities in this trim.
Yeah.
The moonroof, the wireless charging, the customizable ambient light. You've got the dual screens here, 12.3-inch high definition screens. I love this graphic on here. This is your top-down surround view camera, as you can see. You can see all around the vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and start driving so we can get going. I'll keep giving you some information. Now, there's 3 trim levels on this vehicle: the Wind, the GT line, which is what we're in, and the GT, which is the white vehicle that was out front there. This has 320 horsepower, 446 pounds of torque, and the 0 to 60 on this one is 4.6 seconds. So pretty zippy. And we're about to give you a blast. You guys ready?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
I love that.
See, it's like a rocket.
Yeah,
It really
absolutely is.
Range on this one is up to 274 miles if you're in the all-wheel drive, up to 310 if you're in the rear-wheel drive. As far as charging goes, if you're at a DC charging station, this will charge up in less than 18 minutes. So that's from 10 to 80%.
Okay.
I cannot hit one of these. I just hit one a minute ago. After you do it 100 times, your reflexes start to go a little bit.
So, yeah, this thing, honestly, it's pretty slick. So the Crown, if you don't know, it was Toyota's first mass-produced vehicle, but we haven't had it since the 70s. Sneak out of here. So it's this idea of kind of this in-between of a sedan and a crossover. So we're sitting 4 inches higher than like a Camry.
Okay.
So you get a little higher up, get a little better lines.
Yeah.
Just kind of getting in and out of it, it's just a little bit easier. The kind of fun party piece is it is a hybrid.
Okay.
But it's 2.5 turbo with 2 electric motors making all-wheel drive. But it's one of the fastest cars Toyota makes now.
Okay. Yeah. I was wondering how that was.
So I'm accelerating hard. I'm gonna brake at the end just to feel it. But are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. So
Let's go.
Put your foot into it. So gets out of its own way.
Yeah.
This car in particular is a pre-production model. So feel good. You're sitting one of the first, which is always kind of cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
But really, I mean, obviously a whole lot not going to change from here. So 11 speaker JBL sound system. They did a lot trying to get these nice big displays. So you have your bird's eye view camera and all the backup stuff. But then even as you're going through and just looking at your navigation or your sound, everything's kind of just there, not totally in your face, but still where we need it. It says Toyota's the TSS, it's the 3.0 in here, so the emergency brake if you think you're going to crash, and it waits and lets you. So it waits the last mathematical possible moment, and then so it'll yell and beep and get mad at you. It doesn't want to brake for you, but it will. You can see how many of those little sensors it's picking up.
Yeah.
And so it works forward, it works reverse, whether it's a car you're coming up on or someone like stepping off a sidewalk, it's reading that like diagonal movement too.
Okay.
But even the luxury side of sedans still.
Yeah, hand is pretty nimble.
So honestly, yes, like I said, first year back in the U.S., but I think they did a nice job.
That's awesome. Leaving. I'm done with the auto show. There's a lot of cars. I saw a lot of great stuff, the Fuson, here we go in the Fuson. Subscribe.